At Ardent, we are completely against providing any combos to students. The basic reason behind it is I don't want any student to get stuck with me for 2 years. Okay, I want that child to experience us in 11th, enjoy the entire journey. I do not have any fear of whether a child is going to leave me or I am not able to fill my seat. I'm not in a competition of having 100% admissions. I'm not in any competition. I want to give the best to the child. And so I believe that the child is yet to decide of what course he wants to choose going ahead. So giving and getting that child stuck in 11th, 12th and CA foundation is not a great idea. So we tell parents that they should join for 11th, enjoy 11th, get used to our teaching methods, and then take 12th and CA foundation. That is the right approach to it. As far as demos are concerned, we also believe that demos are something which is a marketing gimmick. We don't want to do that because a child or a teacher is not able to gauge each other in one lecture. It's an entire process. So that process takes a little bit of time, and demo only happens one lecture. So that is the reason we do not provide any demos. So if any student wants to join us, they have to give a commitment.